Okay, so here the group time, and we're going to report about the research ethics and technical research writing. So what is research ethics? So research ethics provides guidelines for the responsible conduct of research. In addition, it educates and monitors scientists conducting research to ensure a high ethical standard. The following is a general summary of some ethical principles. First is honesty and transparency. Marketers should strive to be honest and transparent in their communications with customers, providing accurate information about products and services. Second is respect for privacy. Marketers should respect the privacy of individuals and adhere to regulations such as GDPR or General Data Protection Regulation when collecting and using personal data for marketing purposes. Third is fairness and non-discrimination. Marketers should avoid discriminatory practices and ensure that their marketing efforts are fair and inclusive, respecting the diversity for their audience. 4 is social responsibility. Marketers should consider the social and environmental impact of their actions and strive to contribute positively to society. For example, by promoting sustainable products or supporting charitable causes. So why are ethical principles in research important? It is important to adhere to ethical principles in order to protect the dignity, rights, and welfare of research participants. As such, all research involving human beings should be reviewed by an ethics committee to ensure that the appropriate ethical standards are being upheld. So, what is technical research writing? Technical research paper may be termed as a technical report, which is a document that describes the process, progress, or results of technical or scientific research or the states of a technical or scientific research problem. Also, it refers to research that is focused on technical or scientific subjects. It often involves the application of specialized knowledge, methodologies, and tools to gather and analyze data. Example include user manuals, employee handbooks, standard operating procedures or SOP, software user documentation, troubleshooting guides, and legal disclaimers. Purpose of the technical research writing is to convey complex information to readers in a way that they can understand and apply even if they are no prior knowledge of the subject.
Writing process for technical research report. Planning and outline. Begin by outlining the structure of your reports, including sections such as introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. Research and data collection. Conduct thorough research to gather relevant data and information to support your study. This may involve reviewing existing literature, collecting primary data through survey or experiments, or analyzing secondary data from resources like databases or previous studies. Writing the introduction. Start with an introduction that provides background information on the topic. State the purpose of the research and outlines the structure of the report. Literature review. Review existing literature to provide context for your study and demonstrate your understanding of the research area. Summarize key findings, identify gaps in the literature, and explain how your research contributes to the existing body of knowledge. Methodology. Describe the research methods and techniques used in your study, including any data collection procedures, sampling methods, and analytical techniques employed. Results. Present the finding of your research in a clear and concise manner using tables, charts, and graphs as needed to illustrate key points. Discussion. Interpret the result of your study, discussing their implication and relevance to the research questions or objectives. Compare your findings to previous research and address any limitation or challenges encountered during the study. Conclusion. Summarize the main findings of your research, restate the research questions or objectives, and discuss the implication of your finding for future research or practical applications. Reference. Include a list of reference sites in your report, following a consistent citation style such as APA or MLA. Revision and proofreading. Review and revise your reports to ensure clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Check for spelling and grammar errors and ensure that all citations and references are properly formatted.